Sick of paying devs, crying into coffee over bugs, and watching competitors sell AI tools while you build 404 pages? What if I told you you can create a white label AI app in under a minute? No code, no drama, and you keep 100% of the profits. Stick with me. This is Kamal from Tested Apps, and I'll show you if MagicApps AI is hype or real cash in your pocket tech. Hey, I'm Kamal from TestedApps.com. I've been doing affiliate marketing, SEO, and video funnels for 6 years. I test tools the way a detective eats samosas, thoroughly and with passion. Today we're digging into MagicApps AI, what it does, who it's for, what worked when I tested it, and the exact bonuses I'm giving you if you grab it from my link. Quick heads up, I've got exclusive Tested Apps bonuses in the description, plug-and-play templates, a traffic cheat sheet, and my AI app pitch swipe file. Grab the link below to get them. No fluff. Real tools you can use today. So what is MagicApps AI? In plain English, it's a no-code platform that auto-creates white-label AI apps and copilots from templates. Think chatbots, content tools, mini-app SaaS, but without hiring a developer. Front-end price today is a one-time $16.97 during launch. Target users: marketers, freelancers, agencies, course creators, and small business owners who want to deliver AI solutions fast and sell them as services or subscriptions. How it works: 3 easy steps. Alright, 3 clicks and no tears. Step 1. Login. Pick from 270 plus done-for-you templates. There's a template for copywriting, social posts, video scripts, even diet planners. Step 2. Customize. Add your logo, tweak copy, choose colors. Drag and drop simple. If you can use a smartphone, you can do this. Step 3. Launch and monetize. Embed with 1 line of code, add Stripe or PayPal, and start selling as a product, a subscription, or a client deliverable. Yes, it really is that simple. Kind of like ordering pizza, but the pizza can write your email funnels. Here's what actually matters: speed. Build an app in under a minute. That's rapid testing and faster client wins. White label rights, your logo, your domain, your profits. You're not reselling someone else's brand. Templates and DFY SaaS packs, 270 plus apps, and 5 ready-to-sell SaaS verticals. Huge shortcut for new agencies. Training copilots. With the enterprise upgrades, you can train AI on PDFs and URLs. That's how you deliver true value, not generic chatty bots. Embedding and payments. 1-line embed and PayPal Stripe integration. Makes monetization trivial. Commercial license included. Sell to clients, bundle or create subscription income. No revenue share. Now compare this with real alternatives. Building a custom app usually costs thousands in months. Monthly SaaS tools that let you do parts of this can be $50 to $200 per month. MagicApps launch front end is a one-time $16.97 today. That's a radically different price point if you want to test this idea or sell a single app for $497 and $2,197. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
Imagine in just 60 seconds you can turn a simple idea into a profitable AI app without writing a single line of code. Sound too good to be true? Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll see how MagicApps AI hands you the keys to a $270 billion market, with zero tech skills required. Let's face it, building apps is a nightmare. Coding from scratch? That's months of headaches and a team of pros you can't afford. Hiring developers? Get ready to shell out $5,000 to $25,000 for one app. Even so-called no-code tools like Bubble or Adalo, they'll drain you with $200 to $349 monthly fees, and you're still stuck figuring it out. Meanwhile, the AI revolution is exploding, and smart entrepreneurs are cashing in big, leaving most of us wondering, how do I even get started? Introducing MagicApps AI, the brand new AI-powered app that auto-creates 100% white-labeled apps. In just 60 seconds, no coding, no hiring, no hassle. Here's how easy it is. Step 1, log in and pick from over 270 ready-made AI apps, covering hot niches like marketing, e-commerce, and social media. Step 2, customize it with your logo, colors, and style in a few clicks. No coding, no hassle. Step 3, launch it, sell it, and profit. Boom! Your own SaaS business is live, ready to rake in cash. Imagine showing clients their own AI app in minutes and charging them like a pro. With MagicApps AI, you can launch your dream AI app in just 60 seconds. Choose from 270+ done-for-you app templates. Think AI chatbots, content creators, or fitness planners. Enjoy 100% white label branding. Your logo, your domain, your profits. Get 5 built-in SaaS businesses, plug in your details, and start selling today. Sell on Fiverr, Upwork, or your own site. You're in control. Why now? Because the AI gold rush is here. The global AI software market is worth $257 billion, and it's set to hit $1 trillion by 2034. Businesses are desperate for tools to automate and grow, and they'll pay $497 to $2,197 per app. Sell just 5 a month for $2,485, or scale to 10 for nearly $5,000 in potential income. AI isn't just innovation, it's the fastest path to wealth and success. For decades, software apps have built legacies, wealth, and fame for tech giants like Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos. Now, it's your turn. With MagicApps AI, you can launch one app and skyrocket your brand, recognition, and profits without any tech skills. But I have to warn you, the price is rising fast, and once this launch ends, you'll never see this deal again. There are no monthly fees or hidden costs. Pay once and enjoy lifetime access to MagicApps AI. Plus, you're fully protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's absolutely no risk in trying it out. And that's not all. When you grab your copy today, you'll also unlock exclusive bonuses worth over $5,099. Absolutely free. But only if you act right now. So, what are you waiting for? Tap into the future of no-code app creation and start building 270+ AI apps that businesses crave in just 60 seconds. Click the button below to get instant access to MagicApps AI with 270+ ready-made apps, all for a crazy low one-time price. Act now, this offer disappears soon. Good luck, and I'll see you inside.
They've stacked the funnel with upgrades. Short version and when to buy them. OTO 1, unlimited, $57. Remove caps. Go Pro. Buy if you plan to serve multiple clients or run agency operations. OTO 2, Enterprise, $40. Train copilots on PDFs, URLs, multilingual training, and advanced models. Essential for niche high-value clients. OTO 3, DFY, $97.47. They build it for you. Buy if you want a premium offering without setup time. OTO 4, Automation, $37, adds ad campaign and monetization automation. Good if you don't want to touch traffic. OTO 5, Traffic, $32.37, DFY social campaigns. Buy if you need instant exposure and hate ads managers. OTO 6, Agency, $67.97, agency license and team seats. Buy if you're scaling and want to sell at scale. OTO 7, Reseller, $67.97, resell the software itself. Buy if your business model is selling software licenses. OTO 8, Mega Suite, $127, massive bundle of courses, templates, and assets. Good if you want the full growth kit. Use case tip. If you're just testing, stick with front-end plus unlimited. If you need enterprise-level training or niche knowledge, get Enterprise. My test. I built a simple headline generator app using a template, customized it, added branding, and embedded it on a test landing page. Setup took under 15 minutes from zero. The interface is clean, and the trained copilot feature looks promising for client work, especially when you feed it PDFs or site content to make it context-aware. I didn't make wild promises about earnings, but the platform clearly speeds up delivery and reduces development costs. For affiliates and agencies, that's pure leverage. Be clear, this is not a magic money button. It's not for hardcore developers who want total code-level control or for people expecting overnight riches without effort. You still need marketing, offers, and sales skills to monetize apps. Imagine shipping a branded AI tool to clients in a day, charging $497 and focusing on growth, not bug fixes. If you're serious about building a recurring income or scaling an agency, this removes a massive technical blocker. I've bundled practical bonuses that cut your learning curve in half. Check the description. The launch price is temporary, so if you want to test fast, now's the time. If you found this useful, hit like, smash subscribe, and tell me in the comments. What app would you build first? A local restaurant menu chatbot or a headline writer that never sleeps? Download my tested apps bonuses from the link below, grab MagicApps AI if it fits your plan, and I'll see you inside the next video. Go build something that scares your competition. Peace out. And don't let your next competitor host NASA on their homepage before you do.